Hi everyone! Unity Day is coming up on October 21st. It's a day where we wear orange to alert the importance of encouraging kindness and having zero tolerance for bullying. We need your help. It's time that we get out for a run, walk, or bike ride in support of our school. You may choose to run, walk, or bike ride on or before October 21st. You can register using the Google form included in this video's description, right down there. Kindness takes courage, and kindness carries the most power in numbers. We encourage students to recruit family members, neighbors, teachers, parents, coworkers, and friends from all over to run for his or her team. Students who recruit the most earnings and team members will receive a medal and endless satisfaction knowing that you are spreading positivity. Please contact me, Mrs. Long, if you have any questions. I would love for you to share any pictures of you in your orange and can't wait to see how many of you sign up. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you out running.